मजा मारी.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia and the second largest city in Southeast Asia in terms of economy. This is Kuala Lumpur, which boasts the world's tallest twin towers and its unique night view.
So we have just landed in Kuala Lumpur now. Good morning. So we've landed here in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and we are now heading towards the baggage counter to claim our baggage, and then going to hit the streets and explore Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur for the next 4 days. I'll take you to the different locations and streets of Kuala Lumpur, exploring Malaysian culture, food, and different tourist spots here. So please keep watching. So the Kuala Lumpur airport is a very huge airport. We are at least walking since last 10 minutes to claim our baggages. So I don't know when will we get there, but we're still walking till there. So looks like there are a huge number of tourists who have come to Malaysia. You can see the immigration center just piled up. So we may have to wait here for some time until we can clear the immigration and then head towards the बैगेज क्लेम सेंटर. यार क्या बताऊँ मैं, 1.5 घंटे से खड़ा हूँ. मैं 1.5 घंटे से खड़ा हूँ यहाँ इमिग्रेशन के काउंटर पर. लाइन बड़ी होती जा रही है और फाइनली कंप्लीटेड इमिग्रेशन. काफ़ी सारे बहुत भीड़ जमी हुई थी. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीज़न. इट्स अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस हियर. दे कुड हैव डन इट बेटर. So guys, we finished our customs check and we just came out, and as soon as we come out we see the Hotlink here. Hotlink is a store that will provide you things like SIM card if you need here based on the plan that you want. So it starts from as less as 500 rupees till it may go up to 1500 rupees. So it's very beneficial when you're here for your span of stay that you're living in Malaysia. So we are now walking out of the airport. This is a humongous airport. I mean, look at this. I've been walking forever here. It never gets over. And there are very attractive shops, that has various kind of stores, SIM card stores, and gift stores, general stores, branded shops, Subway, all kind of different franchises out here. So it's a good place for you to spend time. But we are done with this airport now. We have spent a lot of time here, so I can't wait enough to get out of the airport and start our Malaysian exploration. यार ये कुआला लंपुर का एयरपोर्ट ना कोई एक छोटे गांव से कम नहीं है इंडिया का. इतना बड़ा है. So finally we have made our way out of this humongous airport. मेरा तो आज का 10,000 स्टेप्स इधर ही हो गए भाई सुबह सुबह. So we have booked a cab here. So basically anywhere in Southeast Asia, mostly you use Grab app for taxi, and it also offers you a lot more than taxi. It can also deliver you food and all that. So now we are using Grab app for booking a taxi. We have just booked and then waiting here for the taxi to arrive. So you can also make use of Grab app. It's very easy. You can just, it is as similar to Ola or Uber that you have in India. Whenever you are here or any other country in Southeast Asia like Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Vietnam, Grab is very famous there. Everybody knows Grab. So Grab is the app you need to download, and then you can use it for your taxi booking as well. So if you don't want to take a taxi, you can also self-drive here in Malaysia, but you need to use a separate app called Klook, where you can find the self-driven cars and you can book them in advance. but you should make sure that you all have the prerequisites to drive in Malaysia. All you need is an IDP, International Driving Permit, that you can apply through online and you can get it. There is a digital copy of it along with a printed copy. For applying, you should at least apply 1 week before you are coming to this country so that you will have it handy and ready for drive. So we have our warm chairman, our driver, who is going to take us today with the Grab taxi. Yeah.
Uncle.
No uncle. So finally, because we were 5 people, the first car couldn't accommodate all of us, so we have a second car, taxi. We're now going in. We've carried something to eat, ready to eat because we are too hungry. Let's go! What's your name?
Pung.
Pung. Pungcha. Pungcha. Pung.
Pung. 我是标。
Ah, yeah. Pung. Kasunta. You're from India.
Oh.
Pung in our language means smell.
Smell.
Smell. So you smell well. Pung. By the way, we've got something to eat just because we're too hungry. And this has egg, rice and some small chunks of fish on top of it. So we are now heading to Malaysia City. Yeah! So guys, we are now heading to Kuala Lumpur from the airport. It is quite far. It's almost 45 kilometers from the airport to reach the city. Looks like we are just entering the main city now. क्योंकि जो बिल्डिंग्स हमको दिखने मिलते हैं मूवीज में या पिक्चर्स में या वीलॉग्स में या यूट्यूब पे, वो सारे दिखने लगे हैं. इफ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द पेट्रोनास ट्विन टावर्स आल्सो वी कैन सी, दूर से दिख रहा है. और ये देखिए, वाह, पेट्रोनास ट्विन टावर्स भी दिख रहा है यहाँ से. और देयर इज द स्केल टावर, इसके ऊपर भी जाने वाले हैं हम. पेट्रोनास टावर्स के पास भी जाने वाले हैं. सब कुछ दिखाएंगे आपको. और ये देखिए, ये इनका ट्रेन है, मोनो रेल या मेट्रो ट्रेन जैसा है. काफ़ी सारे लाइन हैं इनके, 1-2 नहीं 3-4 लाइन हैं. तो शायद इसमें भी हम ट्राई करेंगे जर्नी करके. एंड देन विल ट्राई अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स एज वेल, एक्सप्लोरिंग मलेशियन कल्चर, फूड and different tourist spots here to enjoy Malaysia. जैसे जैसे हम प्रॉपर कोर सिटी के अंदर आते जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पर हमको ट्रैफिक मिल रहा है. तो आई होप कि बैंगलोर जितना तो ट्रैफिक ना हो यहाँ पर. फिर भी अच्छा खासा ट्रैफिक रह सकता है, संभावना है. और ऊंची ऊंची बिल्डिंग्स आपको दिखाई देंगे यहाँ से. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ skyscrapers that you get to see here. Especially there's a lot of urban feeling in Kuala Lumpur. देखिए दोस्तों, जलन बुकित बिंतंग, ये यहाँ का बहुत हैपनिंग प्लेस है. There are a lot of restaurants there and all that. हमने देखा था, तो यहाँ पर भी जाना है हमको. I will show you guys in detail, लेकिन अभी के लिए it is just on the way. ये देखिए बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग्स दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. मैनर, ओ ये आ गया हमारा होटल. तो ये जो आपको दिख रहा है, दिस वन, ये जो ऊपर वाला, ये है हमारा बिल्डिंग जहाँ पे हम स्टे कर रहे हैं. दिस इज अ प्लेस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे एंड इट इज also very tall and it has a swimming pool on top of 51st floor. So I'm quite excited for that. देखेंगे स्विमिंग पूल से बहुत ही बढ़िया व्यू है पेट्रोनास टावर्स के. तो ये तो मेरे को करना ही है कि जाके छलांग लगानी है स्विमिंग पूल में और फोटो वोटो तो खींचना ही है. सो लेट्स चेक इन. So this is I booked it in Airbnb. I'll also tell you the details of Airbnb ताकि आप भी अगर Kuala Lumpur आने प्लान कर रहे हो, then you can also book it and get this breathtaking view of the city skyline from the pool. There's an infinity pool at floor number 51 and that's where we're actually heading now. And I did not realize we were so close to it. We're almost there. So चलिए चेक इन कर लेते हैं. So from airport till this place it was around 45 kilometers and we took around 40 minutes to reach here.
How much? What is the cost? 76
ringgit. So 76 ringgits is around 1400 rupees, Indian rupees. So quite reasonable क्योंकि बहुत दूर था एयरपोर्ट and almost एक टूर जैसा फील हुआ when we came into the city. Saw a lot of prominent landmarks already जो हमारे लिस्ट में थे. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि भाई सब कुछ एक बार में देख लिए when we in this drive. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this journey, then kindly subscribe to my channel Mast Maja Maddie and stay with me as the story continues. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part. Your support really means a lot. This was the part 3 of our Malaysia Phuket journey and the next part is coming very soon. So I'll see you in the next part. Till then, take care and stay tuned.
Mast Maja Maddie.